And this is the Cessna Conquest II. And the engines this one uses are the Garrett TP 331s. And what's different than the Pratt & Whitney's is the shaft goes into a huge gearbox in the front here. And so this is all kind of connected. And they tend to be much more fuel efficient than the Pratt & Whitney's. This will cruise about 300 knots and use maybe 75 gallons at altitude an hour. So we're going to take her up and go around the pattern and see how she performs. Beautiful plane. Okay, checks. Cabin door, control X. Seat belts, switches off. Seat belts and brakes, always do it at the same time. Make sure we got the brakes on. Switches off, circuit breakers in. Got a whole pile down here, got a bunch of circuit breakers on this side. Batteries on. Gear handle down. Annunciator test. Firewall shut off. And also arms your fire extinguisher bottles if you needed them. Oxygen, plenty. Trim set. Pressurization is off. A power monitor check will bring power levels back. Condition forward. One forward, left computer's out. Forward, right computer's out. Bring these back, reset the two computers. And the computer lights are out. Okay, power flight idle, condition start, guarded switches down. Volts 24, props are on locks, sideways. Starting fuel pumps aux. This panel, and then we're going to do an NTS check for negative torque sensing. Push that to the right. We'll get a light there and hit start. Negative torque sensing light came back on, so we'll cover our stop button. Watch our EGTs. If we hit red line, we got to shut down immediately. So either do that by hitting the stop button or pulling this lever all the way back. Percentage. Fuels coming up. Okay, good start. Engine instruments. Left generator. Pressurization to the left. Flaps up. Right engine start. NTS to the right. Stop button. Good start. Engine instruments, right generator, inverter, avionics. takeoff. Fuel pumps off and main. Torque limiters are on auto. Annunciators, beta lights, monofall lights over here are off. Light controls. Instrument here, good. Flight instruments. We're going to do pattern altitude 1500 feet. The AP test, that's fine. Engine instruments, we'll check everything. Look scopocetic, fuel quantity, 900 pounds a side, cross speed test. Left, right pump comes in. Right, left box pump comes in. It's working. Trim set, drop sync off. Pressurization both, and then if we're going up to whatever altitude, you can set that now. Passenger advisory. Okay. Next on the checklist says don the goggles. Goodbye. We'll play Natus. Listen to the local weather.
Washburn View, automated weather observation 224-2. Zulu, weather, wind 13, 0 at 13, gust 17, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 21 Celsius, 2.4, altimeter 2983.